Applications of IT. In technologically advanced nations, information technology has become an integral part of daily life. For users, computers serve as tools that provide desired information whenever needed. The use of computers and information technology can be observed at home, in the workplace, within the modern service industry, and in all aspects of life. This includes activities such as listening to music, watching movies, playing games, doing office work, chatting and sending messages, managing daily planners, reading books, paying utility bills, booking travel tickets, and conducting bank operations. Computers and ICT are utilized in various settings, including industries, offices, and homes. Their applications span across multiple fields, including business, banking, insurance, education, marketing, healthcare, engineering design, military communication, animation, research, agriculture, and government. IT in home computing. Personal computers, PCs, have become versatile tools for various home activities. They are commonly used for managing household accounts, playing a wide variety of games including action, role-playing and puzzles, surfing the web, sending emails, and exploring different hobbies such as music creation. PCs equipped with a CD-ROM drive, sound card and speakers can play audio CDs, enhancing multimedia experiences at home. Additionally, computers facilitate online education by providing access to a diverse range of training courses. They also enable convenient online shopping and e-commerce, making it easier for individuals to purchase goods and services from the comfort of their homes. IT in everyday life. In our daily lives, we rely on various products equipped with embedded software such as washing machines and microwave ovens. We use computers to store important information, manage appointment schedules, and keep lists of contacts. As a result, computers have become essential to our lives, making it hard to imagine a world without them. The significance of information technology, IT, was highlighted during the COVID-19 pandemic, as it played a crucial role in our daily routines. The shift towards smart homes and the integration of various smart devices into our lives were propelled by advancements in IT. IT in education. Computers and information technology, IT, are extensively used in education for teaching, learning, and assessment. The integration of software and hardware technology enables the creation and transmission of information in various forms, including still pictures, audio, video, and animation. This makes learning easier and more accessible. Numerous teaching resources are available, allowing teachers to improve their methods, while online assessments provide unbiased evaluations. Students, teachers, educational administrators, and other stakeholders have all benefited from the integration of IT in education. ICT in the classroom. ICT is used in various ways to enhance education in the classroom, such as e-learning classrooms, smart board presentations, videos on experiments, creation of images and videos, desktop publishing of magazines, letters, and documents, educational games, learning through CD-ROM media, gathering educational information on the internet, education anywhere, anytime. Students in India can access NCERT books online through the website www.epathshala.nic.in or the mobile app. Additionally, numerous websites and mobile apps provide educational resources on various topics. Through web-based training, WBT, students can connect with teachers or trainers via the internet, bringing education to remote areas. Teaching aids and media. ICT is commonly used as a teaching aid in schools too. Use pictures, animations, and audio visuals to explain complex subjects. Make lessons interesting with presentations. Organize lessons using the computer. Obtain relevant information for subjects. Learning Management System (LMS). Many countries use learning management systems (LMS) to manage school systems. Students and teachers can register on official LMS websites to access various services such as learning lessons anytime and anywhere, submitting queries, getting replies and submitting comments through forums, participating in co-curricular activities via video, parents monitoring the progress of their children. This comprehensive integration of IT in education has transformed traditional methods, making learning more dynamic and accessible. IT in insurance. In the insurance industry, information technology plays a crucial role in maintaining up-to-date records through comprehensive computer databases. These systems manage and track various aspects of insurance policies, including policy continuation, start dates, installment schedules, maturity dates, interest payments, survival benefits, and bonuses. Additionally, many insurance companies offer online policies that can be conveniently purchased via their websites, enhancing accessibility and customer services. IT in marketing. Information technology. IT plays a crucial role in marketing, encompassing advertising, buying, selling, and product delivery. IT applications in marketing are tailored to meet specific company needs. Key applications include Customer Relationship Management (CRM), which uses IT to track customer details, behavior, and preferences, helping companies customize their marketing strategies to boost sales and customer satisfaction. Digital marketing leverages the internet for online promotions and advertising, significantly enhancing marketing reach and effectiveness. Additionally, IT enables companies to engage with customers on social media platforms, helping businesses understand customer preferences, behavior, and purchase trends, thereby fostering stronger relationships and more targeted marketing efforts. IT in healthcare. ICT is widely used in the health sector to improve patient care and hospital management. For example, a hospital management system helps keep track of patients' records and manage hospital activities. Computers are also used in medical machines like ECG, EEG, ultrasound, and CT scanners to help doctors diagnose and monitor health conditions. Expert systems assist in diagnosing diseases, while healthcare companies use computers to produce diagnostic tools and instruments. Additionally, computers are essential in laboratories and pharmacies for scanning and diagnosing various diseases. Use of ICT in diagnosis. With the advancements in computer hardware and software technology, various high-tech machines are used in the diagnosis and treatment of critical diseases. Using expert system, diseases can be diagnosed at the early stages and the patients can be given treatment accordingly. Some of these machines are Computerized Axial Tomography (CAT) machine. This device produces three-dimensional 3D images of different body parts, aiding in detailed diagnosis of diseases. Magnetic Resonance Imaging (MRI) machine. MRI machines use strong magnetic fields and radio waves to create detailed digital images of internal organs. These images are crucial for detecting and planning the treatment of various conditions. Electrocardiogram (ECG) machine. The ECG machine monitors the heart's electrical impulses, providing a graphical representation of heartbeats. This helps in diagnosing and assessing heart conditions. Cardiac Screening Machine. This machine visualizes the philosophy of the heart and displays its movements, allowing for the diagnosis of heart issues such as vein thinning and facilitating appropriate treatment. Electroencephalography EEG machine. The EEG machine records brain activity by detecting electrical impulses through small probes attached to the scalp. It captures data whether the patient is awake or asleep, aiding in the diagnosis of neurological conditions. Blood sugar testing machine. This device analyzes blood samples to determine glucose levels, assisting in the management and diagnosis of diabetes. Blood pressure measuring machine. Worn as a wristband, this device measures blood pressure both at rest and during physical activity, providing valuable information for cardiovascular health monitoring. IT at workplace. Information technology. IT has significantly boosted workplace efficiency and organization across various sectors. Key IT applications include virtual offices for reduced costs and flexibility, seamless networking for smooth information flow, and data management for better decision making. Automation of tasks, digital communication, and remote collaboration have become standard, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Moreover, automation in industries enhances precision and efficiency, while the internet and office applications are fundamental to modern business operations. IT in science and engineering. Manufacturing units used to rely heavily on manpower and mechanical tools, with structural designs created manually on large papers. Today, computers have revolutionized this process, allowing for faster and more efficient designing and manufacturing. Engineers and manufacturers now use computer-aided manufacturing (CAM) for automated process and machinery, resulting in higher production volumes in less time. Additionally, computer-aided design (CAD) and computer-aided engineering (CAE) enable the efficient design of heavy engineering products such as vehicles and aircraft. IT in research. In the past, research was limited due to the lack of IT tools. Today, researchers and scientists utilize supercomputers and mainframe computers to rapidly compile and analyze vast amounts of data, leading to significant innovations. Computers enable simulations that provide desired outputs and facilitate numerous advancements such as satellite launching and communication, where programmed computers design, develop, and launch satellites to transmit geographical data. In robotics, computer science drives the development of artificial intelligence for designing and operating robots that replicate human actions. IT in business. In the past, business operations were slower and costlier, with tasks such as accounting, sales records, and communications handled manually on paper or with typewriters. Advertising relied on traditional media like wall paintings, radio, newspapers, and TV. Today, IT tools have revolutionized these processes. Accounting software streamlines financial tasks, while business communications utilize emails, Skype, and video conferencing, saving time and travel costs. ERP systems integrate data across all departments, and HR information systems, HRIS, handle employee records and payroll efficiently. Advertising and sales promotions are now conducted online through popular websites, enhancing reach and effectiveness. IT in entertainment. In the past, people enjoyed entertainment through live performances such as puppet shows, circuses, and dramas in village squares. Today, modern technology has transformed entertainment, bringing radio and TV into homes and reducing travel time and costs. Computers play a crucial role, offering easy access to music, movies, and games online, enabling the creation of animated movies with special effects and simplifying the recording and editing of audio and video. Additionally, web series can now be broadcast on the internet and watched on computers or mobile devices, further enhancing entertainment accessibility. And IT in library. Modern libraries have embraced computerization, greatly improving their efficiency and user experience. Each book is now associated with a barcode, simplifying the tracking and availability checks. Computer software streamlines the process of issuing and returning books, reducing manual effort and errors. Additionally, magnetic strips are attached to books, which are deactivated upon borrowing the enhanced security. Many libraries also offer digital catalogs, enabling users to search for and reserve books online. E-books and digital resources are often available, allowing patrons to access a wealth of information from anywhere. Some libraries even provide digital lending services where users can borrow e-books and audiobooks remotely, further expanding access to knowledge and resources. IT in the government and public service. In modern governance, large-scale computer applications play a vital role in daily operations, with the government actively promoting e-governance initiatives. The Digital India program and other e-governance efforts exemplify this shift towards digital solutions. Both government agencies and non-governmental organizations, NGOs, along with international bodies, leverage ICT applications to enhance communication and deliver a wide range of services to the public. The Government of India operates various official web portals to facilitate e-governance, providing numerous benefits. For example, departments such as income tax, sales tax, and those responsible for voter list management and PAN card issuance utilize computer systems to streamline processes. Many government services, including electricity bill payments, are now available online. Electronic voting has replaced traditional paper ballots, and citizens can enroll in the electoral roll via the State Election Commission's portal. Computers have become commonplace in modern society, simplifying and accelerating tasks that were once laborious and manual. The IT integration in government operations shows how digital technology improves efficiency and accessibility. IT in communication. People used to communicate through letters, telegrams, etc. With the emergence of information technology, it has become feasible to share or exchange information in real time. That is, instant exchange of information, be it textual, graphical, or visual, from any corner of the world with just a click. The various modes of communication are email, electronic mail, usually known as email. It is a digital communication method for sending, receiving, and storing messages over the internet. Online chatting. It helps to establish real-time communication by exchanging the typed messages instantly on the computer, mobile, etc. Such a facility has enabled to form communication groups between two or more people at the same time from far-off locations, thus forming new groups. Video conferencing. It enables the user at different locations to hold face-to-face meetings without moving to a single location together with the help of computers and the internet. FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It is a standard protocol that is used to transfer files between computers that are connected in a network. Telnet. It is a facility that enables the users to access remote computers or terminals over the internet. Social networking. It is a network of people connected to each other through web communities. IT in news and broadcasting. The collection and presentation of news have been revolutionized by information technology, IT. In the past, journalists relied on snail mail, reel-to-reel audio recorders, darkroom photo processing, and typewriters to compose content. Today, IT has transformed the modern mass media industry, allowing information to be broadcast globally in an instant. Digital technology and wireless connectivity enable reporters to gather and transmit news as it happens, ensuring instant broadcasts on radio and television. Readers no longer have to wait for the next day's newspapers. They can access online versions immediately and review older news through newspaper portals. TV channels have launched web versions, allowing users to stay updated on current events via PCs and smartphones. Social media, also known as news media, allows the general public to share news and visuals about incidents almost as quickly as professional reporters. IT in social networking. In the past, people interacted with friends and relatives in person during family functions, religious ceremonies, and gatherings. The emergence of IT devices like computers and mobile phones has revolutionized this mode of interaction through social networks. Social networks refers to online platforms for maintaining social relations. Social media is a computer-based technology that enables people to form web communities to share sentiments, relationships, news, ideas, and topics of common interest on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. It has also made it easier to retain friendships as smart devices and the internet allow people to stay connected with old friends through institutional alumni sites and other social networking sites. IT in banking. Computers are essential to the modern banking system, with nearly every banking activity conducted online. Customer data and transactions are recorded digitally. Services such as recurring deposits, ERD, fixed deposits, EFD, and money transfers, NEFT, RTGS, are all performed via the internet. Additionally, capital market transactions, financial analysis, and related services are available on online platforms. Bank customers commonly used automated teller machines, ATMs, for cash deposits, withdrawals, and checking their account balance